Hello everyone and welcome back again to the CRM Carpenter tutorials. And now I'll be teaching you in this video how you can push the update from the CRM to the record you have in the Creator application. So right here we have Super Mario, and there is a record that is related to this one, and it's here. And now we will be creating a workflow that will update or push the changes from the CRM going to the creator. And go to the settings, and under automation click workflow rules, and we will be creating a workflow by clicking this button, create rule. Select the module. We're going to select contacts and give a name for your workflow. I will name it push update to creator, and you can copy and paste its rule name into the description multi-line field, but it's optional, so it's on you if you will put a description on it or not. And trigger would be by the time the record is being edited, and select the condition where the workflow will only be triggered if a specific field gets modified to any value. So for example, we'll be choosing the email field, that whenever the email field in CRM is changed to any value, and it will sync the email that the record has in the Zoho Creator. And we will select it's modified to any value, then click this checkbox to repeat this workflow whenever a contact is edited. So the workflow will work whenever a record in contact is edited. And then click next, and this is the condition 1. Which contacts would you like to apply the rule to? So it will apply to the email field when the email field isn't empty. It's not empty, so click next, and we will be creating our own function. We'll be writing our own delete function. I'll just give it a name the same as the workflow, push updates creator, and click create. So in here we'll be needing some arguments which points to the contact ID of a record. Just type in the sharp to drop down this merge field, contacts, and find contact ID, click done inside. So the first thing we need to do is to get the record in the contacts. So contact rec equals Zoho.crm get record by ID. Select the contacts and select the argument that we have. So the key to to push the update is to have a ID of creator that we will fetch to the CRM. So this creator record has its ID that we need to get here in the CRM. So here's the field in the CRM. It's the Z creator ID that holds the ID of a record in the Zoho Creator. So this field is populated whenever a contact is created in the contacts module, and I will teach you how to do that in our next following videos. So in here we're going to be needing the Z creator ID, but we will fetch it first. So let's give a variable for it, contact rec that get, and we will get the API name of the Z creator ID, Under Developer Hub, click API and SDKs, and at the tab of API names, find contacts and find the field. So before I created a old field, and this is the new one, see creator ID 1, so we'll be choosing the API name of it and paste it in here inside the string. Don't forget the semicolon, and we'll be needing to create a map. Data map equals map. So data map that put. So the first object is the container where we will put inside it the value that we will be fetching from this second object. So what we need is the API of the field in creator. So to get that, go to the creator and find the API of that field. So we only be finding the API of email field. So it's basically located in the open builder. So the second one, the second field link name is the API, and we will be pasting it inside a string. And next is to get the email we have in the CRM. So for example, here it's this one. So the value of this email is the thing we'll be picking up to push it to the creator, and we'll also be needing its API. Under contacts module, find email. So it's this one. Go back again to the function, and the short code for it is to get the record. So contact rec that get. So we will put inside the string the API from the CRM. So just to clarify things, this is the object one field from the creator, and this is a field from the CRM, and end it with a semicolon. And next is the response. So response would be from the update record function. So let's find it in a documentation created by Zoho. Zoho update record. So it's here. Just search for the word update record in creator, and this syntax is what we need in here. So we'll copy this one and paste it in our code. Let's get back the variable to response, and we will be replacing each of this syntax for every code that we need. So owner name, we'll go back to the creator, and so the owner is this one. From the URL, we will get the November Carpenter and put inside a string. So, and the next one is the app link name. It's here, the name of the application you have in the creator inside the string too, and the report link name, and it's here. Put inside it in a string, and the record ID. So the record ID is the C creator ID we'll be needing. We don't need to put it in a string because it's a variable. And next is the map, which is the data map. And next is the other API parameter. So the function of other API parameter is to skip this parameter, provide an empty map as its value. So we'll be creating a map, a empty map. We'll add it in here. So let's make other params equals an empty map. And then you will copy and paste it in here. And finally the connection link name. So to create a connection, we'll go to setup and go to connections under the developer have. And so we have one in here. We already created a connection. We have this update. This is the connection name that you'll be getting. And it's here too, connection link name. And replace it to the syntax connection link name. And put in inside a string. And now we'll be testing it. If this code will work, just click save and associate to the workflow that we created and click save. So to test it out, we'll be editing the email. We will modify this field to anything that we want. Just to try it will push the changes from this CRM down to the creator. Let's change Super Mario to Super Mario XXX and click check, and we will refresh the creator if it change, and yes, we got the update rightfully. And that's how easy you can create a workflow that pushes the changes from CRM to creator. Thank you for watching this video.